Welcome! In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps to disable animated stickers on the Discord app for PC with the most recent update. If you've noticed that Discord stickers can sometimes feel distracting or even slow down performance, turning off animation is a quick fix that makes your experience smoother. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your computer. Once the app is running, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen. Right next to your username and avatar, you'll see a small gear icon. This is the settings icon, and it's where most of the customization options are located. Go ahead and click on it. After opening the settings menu, you'll see a list of categories on the left-hand side. Scroll through until you find the section labeled Accessibility. Click on it to open up the accessibility settings. This page is designed to give you control over how Discord behaves, especially when it comes to motion and visual features. Now, scroll down through the accessibility options until you come across the section related to animation. Here, you'll see a setting called Always Animate. Under this category, there is a choice for stickers. By default, Discord keeps them animated so they move or play automatically. But this is what we need to change. To disable animated stickers, simply toggle off the option under Always Animate. Once you do this, Discord will stop stickers from moving unless you intentionally interact with them. This not only reduces distractions, but can also help conserve system resources, especially if you're running the app alongside games or other heavy programs. That's it. You've just disabled the automatic playback of animated stickers on your Discord app. With just a few clicks, you've customized your settings to match your preference. Whether you're trying to stay focused, reduce motion for accessibility reasons, or just want Discord to feel a little lighter, these steps make a big difference. Thanks for watching.